Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable and disable crossplay on Mecha Break. So all you have to do is launch the game on your console and sign into your account, and you should get to this homepage. And then from here, simply select the menu option at the bottom right corner. And then from the options that appear, select settings. And then within the settings, simply select privacy. And then you should see this option, Xbox privacy settings. So select that. And now you should see the option join cross-network game. So for me, I'll have to customize this option within the Xbox settings. So all I have to do is go to the Xbox settings. So select home and then go to the settings. And then within the Xbox settings, select account and then scroll down and select privacy and online safety. And then type in a personal PIN if you have one enabled. And then select Xbox privacy. And then choose view details and customize. Now within the Xbox settings, scroll down and find communication and multiplayer. And then you should see this option. You can join crossplay, or rather you can join cross-network play. So decide whether to allow or block multiplayer gaming with players on other gaming services outside of Xbox. So if you'd like to enable crossplay on Mecha Break, ensure that this option is set to on. And then if you want to disable it, simply select block. And then once you're done, simply head back to the game. And now you have to restart the game for the changes to be applied. So since you have blocked it, once you restart the game, this option will be now blocked and you can no longer join cross-network play with other players. If you like to enable it, simply repeat the same process that I have done and select allow, and that will enable crossplay on Mecha Break. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.